Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing shops with rental house floor plan. The plot size is about 50 feet by 29 feet 6 inches, and this is G plus 1 floor plan. The total plot area is about 3,940 square feet, and the build-up area on the ground floor is 1,300 square feet, and the build-up area on the first floor is 1,475 square feet. This design maximizes the land value by combining commercial ground floor with residential rental units on the first floor, making perfect use of an irregular or tapered plot. See, you can see the irregular plot in the entire layout. Because it has an irregular and tapered shape pointing towards north, the building block is smartly constructed as a perfect rectangle in the heavier southern area, leaving a sharp, narrow northern zones completely open. Is excellent for Vastu as it allows natural energy to flow freely. In the ground floor is strictly designed for commercial use, featuring 4 large shops to maximize rental income. Shop 1 and Shop 4, they are facing the main roadside, capturing high visibility. Shop 1 sits in the southeast zone and Shop 4 sits in the southwest zone. Shop 1 size is measuring 12 feet by 20 feet and Shop 4 is measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 20 feet. Coming to the Shop 2 and Shop 3, it is positioned behind the front shops, separated by a wide central passage of size measuring 17 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 6 inches. You can see the passage here. And the passage and staircase is here. It runs through the center for easy customer movement. The staircase is smartly placed on the west side to save space and provide structural balance. Building a heavy concrete staircase on the west side, so you can see here, is structurally and energetically perfect. Vastu dictates that the west and south zones should be heavier than the north and east. These are all the ground floor things. And coming to the first floor plan, the first floor is smartly divided into 2 independent 1 BHK rental units, separated by a central passage and a staircase. You can see the layout here. And the first residential plan, we have our main door is over here, and we have hall is size 12 feet by 14 feet 6 inches, and we have allocated sofa location over here. Opposite to that we have allocated TV showcase, and here we have our kitchen located in the southeast, and it's measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 9 feet 6 inches, and the northeast corner of the room is having water sink. It's a water corner we have provided here in this room. And coming to the master bedroom is measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 10 feet with an attached toilet of size 12 feet by 5 feet, and the commode is pointing towards south direction. The bed sleeping position is at the south and the wardrobe in the west. Coming to the next residential plan, we have our main door over here, and the hall is measuring 12 feet by 13 feet, and we have provided our sofa location over here. Opposite to that we have our TV showcase, and the kitchen is measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 8 feet. And coming to the master bedroom, it is measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 10 feet. And we have our bed sleeping position in the south and our wardrobe in the west with an attached toilet of size 12 feet by 5 feet, and the commode is pointed towards south direction. You can see the full layout here. You can get more plans on our website houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store: House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planist and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.